All right, finally finished my real estate class. It was a busy day, so I woke up at about 6 a.m., started cleaning pools, and then right after that, I went to real estate school from 9 to 4, and then right now it's 4:30. I'm heading home now. I gotta go check on my real estate team members, make sure their listings are good. They asked me to do it for them, and I told them, yeah, as soon as I get home I'll check it out for you. So I hope this motivates you. If you really want to do something, you'll find the time to do it. I know you'll be tired, but think about it this way: you could be tired from starting a business and chasing your dreams, or you could be tired sitting around doing nothing, watching TV. Because at the end of the day, if you're just chilling all day and it's almost bedtime, you're still tired, and you're just wondering, why am I so tired? I didn't do anything all day. So pick your level of tiredness and what will get you tired. Do you want to get tired by starting a business, or do you want to get tired by just laying down in bed doing nothing, right? If you choose either or, it's up to you. This life is so short that I believe that you should do whatever you want in life. If you want to lay down in bed all day, that's what you want to do it, right? It's your life. But for me, trying to chase my dreams, trying to make this happen. So hopefully you get motivated. I'll see you guys.